Hello students, welcome again. Today we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 2.2. Question number 3 says multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert in a mixed fraction. Whatever the number they have given to you, you have to multiply it first and then reduce to the lowest form. If there is any common number between them, you have to reduce them to the lowest form. And then finally, if it is improper fraction, then you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. So question number 1 says 7 into 3 by 5. As I have told, we have to multiply. If it is whole number, we have to multiply to the numerator. So we will multiply it to the numerator. 7 3s are 21, divide by 5. Now there is no common number between them, because in 5's table 21 doesn't come. So this is our final answer, but we have to convert it into mixed fraction, and for that purpose what I will do, I will divide 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20, the remainder is 1. And how to write this? We have to write quotient. Quotient will be written here, divisor will be written here, and the remainder will be written, this is the remainder, it will be written over here. And you have to check again whether it is coming back. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is 21 by 5. So our answer is 4 integer 1 by 5. Part 2, students, it is having 10 parts. I am solving 5 parts, rest 5 parts will be your homework. Question number part 2 says 4 into 1 by 3. Again we have to multiply a whole number to the fraction, so we will multiply 4 1s are 4, divide by 3, so we get 4 divided by 3. And to write in mixed fraction, we have to write 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So our answer is 1 integer 1 by 3. Now I will take third part. Third part says 2 into 6 divided by 7. Again same procedure, 2 into 6 divided by 7. So answer will be 12 divided by 7. Again there is no common number between them, so it can't be reduced. This is the this is the lowest form. So we will convert it into the mixed fraction. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 will be 12. 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12 by 7 is your answer. That is 1 integer 5 by 7 is your answer. Now moving to the fourth part. In fourth part it is 5 into 2 divided by 9. So what we will do, we will apply the same rule. 5 2s are divided by 9, it is 10 divided by 9, and converting into the mixed fraction we get 1 integer 1 by 9, because 9 1s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 9. Now the fifth part is 2 divided by 3 multiply by 4. So we will apply the same rule. 2 into 4 divided by 3, 2 4s is 8, 8 divided by 3, and then converting into the mixed fraction, 3 2s are 6, because 3 3s will be 9, so it will be 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 2 integer 2 by 3 is your answer. Let me solve again some 2 more parts, and for that I will take some bigger number. Let me take 8th part. 8th part is 20 into 4 divided by 5. 24s is 80, 80 divided by 5. And now 80 and 5 are having some common numbers between them, so we will convert it into lowest form. And what is the lowest form? 40, I can write 5 1s are 5, this will be 30, so 5 into 16. 80 I can write as 16 into 5 divided by 5. 5 will be cancelled out, and your answer will be 16. So your final answer is 16. Now let me take one more number, that is 10th part. This will be last part, rest will be your homework. It is 15 multiplied by 3 by 5, sorry, it is 3 by 5. Here you can see 5 and 15 both can be cancelled out, because in 5's table 15 is coming. So I will cut out directly 5 ones are and 5 threes are. So our resulting answer will be 3 into 3, 9. This is our answer. Rest 4 parts. I have solved for you 7 parts. That means 3 parts is remaining. That is 6, 7 and 9. That you have to do on your own. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.